Five cryptocurrencies I plan to hold forever and ever. So we're going to talk about these 5 coins today, as well as a bonus coin at the end of this video. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got a lovely green day here for cryptocurrency. Of course, we're still looking pretty red on the month and the week. However, August and September are very notorious for being very red months. So I thought I'd make a video on these 5 cryptocurrencies I'm holding forever, because I believe that they will have very, very good long-term success. So of course, it's going to start with the OG Bitcoin. If you're new here, by the way, do subscribe to the channel and let's crack on with the video. But it's going to be the OG Bitcoin, $26,000 right now, guys. So we've got a bit of an opportunity present itself with the Bitcoin price right now. We have seen the price tumble from $30,000, which it did trade around, consolidating around that 30k level for a solid month almost. So we got that bearish reversal effect. $26,000 has been hit. But the thing is, guys, with Bitcoin, you can never time the top. You can never time the bottom, no matter how hard you try. We can look at some indicators that do help us do that. Simple but powerful things like the rainbow chart right here. We're still in the buy phase, accumulation phase, according to this particular chart. And if you were to follow this instrument back in time in 2019 or even 2020, when we had COVID and you bought in the dark blue section, you would have pretty much timed as close to the bottom as possible. But like I say, guys, it's not a get rich overnight scheme. It's not even a scheme anyway. It's an actual technology. It's a liquid commodity that you gotta invest in, detach emotionally, and hold for a long period of time if you want to really get some good success in the markets. I do personally think, looking back in time, it's just so impressive to see the growth of Bitcoin from 2011. It's just simply a line. Logarithmically, it just looks so positive. It's a constant uptrend right here for Bitcoin. So we did lose a very critical level of support. This was a bit like a head and shoulders bearish reversal pattern here, but we did lose a critical level of support at 26.8k. So it's now flipped into a resistance range for us, guys, but it's not a huge problem. I plan to hold some Bitcoin forever because it's so scarce. There's only ever going to be 21 million coins, and the fact holding Bitcoin just feels so nice versus depreciating currencies out there such as the dollar that have infinite supplies. This just feels like a really good thing to do. So I continue to hold Bitcoin. Even if I sell some in the future, I will make sure that I do hold some forever. I personally believe that we will see Bitcoin rock up to some great levels in the future. Not moon boy numbers, but if we look at the 2.618 Fibonacci, I think $160,000 at least is a very realistic price target for Bitcoin. So we could possibly still see Bitcoin come down, and things that you can look for are indicators like the RSI, the relative strength index over here. We can currently see that the RSI is oversold for Bitcoin, so it could present a good opportunity on the daily time frame. I do think this is a nice support region. Can see we had a few wicks from over here before, and fingers crossed we don't get another leg down for Bitcoin right now. I really hope this is a nice area. I did already buy some Bitcoin around these levels, but don't ape into these positions because we don't know if there'll be more continuation to the downside just yet. Bitcoin halving is on the way, 252 days to go. So when we do see this occur, usually we do get a catalyst, and in the next sort of 6 months after the halving, we might see some positive continuation to the upside. If you're new to the channel, by the way, get yourself into the Jacob Crypto Clan, where we're sharing loads of insights, signals, and much more. The Discord link is down below in the comments and description box. The next coin is XDC Network. This is known as the real Ethereum killer. I've got a couple G in this particular coin. And what really excites me is the fact that this particular ecosystem has not yet had a chance to fully thrive within a bull market environment. Yes, it was live in 2021, but it wasn't live really prior. And it wasn't live for a long time, so it's only had one market cycle to really thrive. It came to 18 cents. It's currently corrected, consolidating around the 0.056 region. This is, of course, an alternative to Ethereum, $777 million market capitalization. So this is one that I am actually quite bullish on. Got a really cool website, kind of does have that Ethereum vibes going on actually, but XCC is a coin I'm looking at, and I do hold some, and I will plan to hold it forever because I think it's just got much more upside potential than Ethereum. Yes, Ethereum is the king, absolutely. I've got nothing against Ethereum, and I do hold it, and I will probably hold one of those too, for as long as possible. However, I think I've got to be more open-minded when it comes to other layer 1 infrastructures and other sort of development blockchains out there. We have to look at another one in this video as well. So XDC is really cool. It's an enterprise-grade open source blockchain protocol, an EVM compatible chain with enforceable smart contracts. It's uniquely suited to revolutionize, decentralize, and liquefy the trade finance industry through the tokenization of real-world assets and financial instruments. So very, very cool. Have a look at it. If you're a developer, research this token, do your own research, and always, do your own due diligence on these particular cryptocurrencies. Remember, it's not financial advice, but that's the second one I've bought into. I'm holding forever. BNB is the next one because it's like the Amazon of cryptocurrency. It's like the marketplace of cryptocurrency. CZ, the Shangpao Zheng, I can't remember how you pronounce it correctly, but CZ, the founder, CEO of Binance, he's one of the coolest guys out there. He's so genuine. I really trust him. My gut feeling about him is just all good, and I really think we will see BNB potentially pump again at some point in the future. If we look at BNB, it's got overall the Binance Smart Chain 7.47% market share, TVL of all the chains out there, but it does have a very low stable coin valuation in contrast to Tron and Ethereum. And I do think when we have the bull market environment back, we will potentially see BNB, when all the new dApps are built on the Binance Smart Chain, just go absolutely crazy. So I'm looking at $1,000 plus here for BNB, and I think in the next 50 years, maybe even $10,000 plus for this particular coin. $33.2 billion market capitalization at the moment. Last month has been pretty rocky. We saw that $240 position get liquidated. We saw that massive short down to $216, which does take us to a very, very interesting level. I'm going to show you right now. Quickly, give us a subscribe just for this quick little hint that I'm going to show you right now. Subscribe. But BNB has hit a very, very nice DCA opportunity in my opinion. We can see it's come back down into this green ribbon, the $212 range, where it comes down every time, oversold on the weekly RSI, and look at that, we are in that oversold RSI on the daily as well. Last time we were oversold in the RSI there, we got a pump up to $272. So I do think there is some room to the upside if we can actually get a bullish reversal at some point. Either way, the price now is irrelevant. The price next week is relevant. I'm holding BNB because I believe in the future of BNB, and I think there's a lot of great stuff we could see happen for this particular ecosystem and cool. BSC, as we see, 2.856 billion TVL at the moment, and I think it's just because we are not in the bull market environment. We're really not seeing much development go on this particular chain and network right now. So we have to be patient. We have to wait a while for it to occur. Coin number 4 is Chainlink. Chainlink is ranked 22 at the moment with a $3.3 billion market capitalization, trading at just $6.10. Historically, the coin has reached some amazing highs of $50 and even achieved a market capital of 20 billion, which would be around an 8x from the current numbers. The reason I'm bullish is price structure, but also the utility and the crypto itself and the technology behind it. So I'm bullish on everything about Chainlink, which is why I hold it, and I will plan to hold some forever. If we look at historical market cycles here, we can see we go through the bull phase, we go for a contraction, we hit the slump, the bear market, then we go through a long-term consolidation, sideways trading phase, happens again, it goes green, red, orange, just like a traffic light system. Green, red, orange, we're in the orange. When is the green, the red, the orange going to occur again? So that's what really excites me. Will the floor for Chainlink next market cycle be $50? And will we see $100+ for Chainlink? I think it's very, very possible. Very, very keen to see what's going to happen. Chainlink is currently in this very, very tight sideways channel, and it has come down to $6, which is basically tempting me to buy more as we sit at the oversold position. Previous oversold position was here, June 2023 at $5. Then we got a nice pump to the upside. So I do expect to get a bullish reversal or a V-shaped recovery out of here for Chainlink soon. Anyhow, that's the one that I've chosen to also hold on to for a long period of time. The next one is a rather new cryptocurrency known as Say, or C, or I don't know how to perfectly pronounce it. But this one recently just launched and it's already thriving with $286 million valuation. It's not yet had a chance to exist during a bull run. However, Say, or C, is enabling mass adoption of digital assets. Say is the fastest layer 1 blockchain designed to scale with the overall industry, and I'm going to show you some benefits of this compared to other ecosystems or blockchains like Bitcoin. Well, we can see there's some pretty nice benefits right there from the Say ecosystem. It's got more TPS than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. It's got faster transaction finality than Solana, Ethereum, and also Bitcoin. You can also see there's no front-running prevention on all the other ecosystems, but this has front-running prevention right there, FBA. We can see this is a proof of stake ecosystem, just like Ethereum and Solana, so it's more efficient as well, unlike Bitcoin over here on the proof of work. And I just think overall I feel really excited to know what could potentially happen with this particular ecosystem. So it's hugely scalable, lots of liquidity, some big developers behind it, and I'm really keen to see what this is going to do in a bull market. It really excites me. It feels like getting into Polygon Matic before it actually had a chance to go absolutely wild, and we've got this at 16 cents right now. So I do have myself a nice Say bag. Hopefully we'll see some very, very bullish price action for this coin in the future. Bonus coin, ding, 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 ding. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Get yourself into the Discord, and let's look at bonus coin. Wall Street memes, everybody. Can you believe it? We're looking at Wall Street memes again. I just can't help it. It's because I hold $3,000 worth. I'm trying to pump my own bags. Deary me, I'm just terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Anyway, not financial advice, high risk, high reward meme coin. Wall Street memes is moving and turning heads and raising money fast. $25.7 million has been raised for this ecosystem right now. 38 days and 13 hours until multiple tier 1 exchanges do go down. You can buy this coin with a MetaMask wallet or a Trust wallet, either on the BNB or the Ethereum blockchain, BEP20 or ERC20, whichever you prefer. But recently they did also launch some exciting things such as a staking model. So you can actually stake your tokens here for an APY of 175%, 75 rewards per block as well. And there's 114 million WSM tokens already locked in and staked. The ecosystem has a 2 billion total supply, and with it being a meme coin, does it give it a lot? Well, it does give it a lot of upside potential in the crypto space. So fingers crossed we can see this one do really well if it trends really, really nicely on the centralized exchanges that it plans to actually list and launch on. Elon Musk has replied to this Twitter channel before. Little fun fact right there. And 261.6k followers currently follow this particular ecosystem. So I'm pretty bullish on it. Yeah, I've got my bag and I'm hoping to make a 2, 3 or 5x. Remember guys, I don't have a crystal ball, so I don't know what's going to happen for Wall Street memes. But if you want to have a look at it, I've got a link provided down below for you to do your own research and due diligence, but never risk more than you can afford to lose, because we can't predict the future, of course. If we could, we would all be millionaires. They also have a really big airdrop worth $50,000 at the moment, and they've got 78.3k entries in there, and they've had some really big influencers already cover this pre-sale, one of them being Joe Paris Crypto, the other being Satoshi Stacker as well. So loads of massive influencers have recognized the potential of Wall Street memes. Hopefully we can see it really do something groundbreaking. It would be amazing to see that. They want to reach $1 billion market capitalization, so this could be a good meme coin to potentially get into. But yeah, let's see what happens. If you guys also want to get more insights and stay in the know, consider becoming a patron to this channel. It really helps support the Discord, and it really helps us grow. And you know, we're all about building platforms. You know, we want to get paid, of course. We all want to get paid. We all want to fill our own banks, but at the end of the day, filling other people's banks is what feels the best. Anyways, Crypto Legend roll, just 2 spaces remaining. Spot trade signals, you're going to get leverage trading signals, early access to pre-sales, white sales. You're going to get all these juicy benefits that you can see on the screen. I won't read them out to you right now, but yeah, please do consider becoming a patron. At least get yourself in the Discord. It is free anyway. The link is down below for that. Check out what I've got in my description and comment section. All those links. And remember, it's not financial advice, of course. And MEXC, guys, I've moved over. I've made the switch. Goodbye Coinbase, I'm done with you, your stupid fees, it's slow, it doesn't even feel like a centralized exchange that is optimized for trading anyway, although it is secure, which is really nice. However, I've moved over. Low fees, high profits, tiny fees, as you can see, and guess what? No KYC. So I've got a link down below for MEXC if you want to sign up to that. There may be potential bonuses for you too. Click on that, please. It really helps me sort of grow as well and thrive as an individual. But yeah, shout out to MEXC. I'm really loving it so far. That's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this video. 5 cryptocurrencies. We had Bitcoin, we had XTC, we had Chainlink, we had Say, and we had Wall Street memes as well. And of course, yeah, the OG Bitcoin. I think I said that already. But that's about a wrap, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you'll stick around, subscribe, like, and comment. See you soon.